Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, Groove Moody Gal Reporting. My name is Khyati Malhotra. This is very simple and casual haul that I'm recording. Shopping is a girl's guilty pleasure. I have been traveling a lot lately, so uske liye I've been shopping a lot. But आज मेरा kind of मन कर रहा था. I just wanted to go and buy a shimmery and a very unique dress for absolutely no occasion. Now that I'm telling you this much, I want to share that I invest a lot in my wardrobe, and it's not just money, it's my energy. Each and every piece that I select, it's with a lot of passion. My clothes, my accessories, they are extremely dear to me. Let me tell you कि Zara पे इतनी ज़्यादा कमाल की सेल थी, and जैसे ही मैंने enter किया, first impressions, it was like, this is such a nice piece. Let's pick this up, pick this up, pick that up. I picked up around 8-9 dresses. So I tried. This was the first one. The fit is perfect, but I kind of have something like this. There is nothing unique about the style, the fit, and floral prints on a velvet silhouette. Matlab, it's very common, nothing to write home about. So I did not go ahead with it. The next dress that I tried, I so wanted to buy it, but I couldn't because this was an M and I wanted an S, but it was not available. It was so classy, so chic, and मुझे नहीं पता था मैं ये कहाँ पहनूंगी, but अगर मुझे S मिल जाता, I would have 100% bought it, a 100%. I love this, but it's very loose. Next one, oh, screams Shania from Student of the Year. अगर मुझे किसी concert के लिए लेना होता तो I would have bought it, but मतलब I was not that inclined. Next, this one, yeah. So I'm telling you, I tried all kinds of pieces, and black में काफ़ी ज़्यादा variety available थी, but again it was kind of looking थोड़ा सा Indo-Western types. This dress, a 7 out of 10. Next, this mustard brown color. ये थोड़ी ऐसा लग रहा है कि you are attending an Indian wedding here, Indian reception here. The fit was not so pleasing, और इसका जो structure था, इसका जो design था, I did not like it that much once I wore it. Next was also like, it was also giving a concert vibe, but it was nothing ऐसे कि मैंने देखा ना और मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा unique लगा हो, and it was like कि ख्याति you should buy it. Next actually काफ़ी ज़्यादा classy piece था. ये जो bow है, that is so much into trend, into fashion nowadays. Alia Bhatt is all about the bow in her hair and etc etc. The bow accessory is very in, and this piece was also looking decent and classy, but it was not right to my fit, and it was very revealing. I was not comfortable, so I dropped it. Next, again this jumpsuit. Actually ये पूरा cover नहीं हो पा रहा है. The ankles, it was a very different pattern, and the material, it was very unique, but again मुझे वो पहन के अच्छा नहीं लगा, and it was way too heavy. I was looking for something more elegant, वो मुझे नहीं लगा, so I dropped this. Let's move on to the next. This, I just love how unique these heels are. So pretty, classy fur heels. I so wanted to buy these, but इसमें मेरा size नहीं था. I was looking fab, but a yellow. Wow. I was really looking for something जो मैंने कभी देखा ना. But we'll come to the end of the vlog, so wait. तो उसके बाद two things caught my eye. Number one, a handbag. Of late, I'm very much inclined towards buying pretty good handbags. It was priced at $99, and after discount it was somewhat around $70. So this brings us to our first piece. I just love it. These fur bags, I can take it like this, like this. मतलब मैं इसको literally counter तक भी लेके चली गई थी, but then I was like, ये बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable नहीं लगी मुझे because of this छोटू सी heel. It was also, I think, 40-50% off पे था ये भी. The collection was very good at Zara. Now, अब मैंने पूरे व्लॉग में बहुत बोला है कि आई वॉज लुकिंग फॉर अ स्टेटमेंट पीस. मैंने इतने सारे शिमरी, क्लासी, डिफरेंट आउटफिट्स भी ट्राई किए. ऑल द ड्रेसेस आई हैड ट्राइड. हाउएवर, If I show you कि मैं लेकर के आई, you will be like कि what ख्याति की क्या लेकर आए हो? This very casual sweater. See, I told you, right? This bag will go with everything, and this sweater, it's so casual, it's warm, and it's comfy. Next. Next one. We bought this perfume. Let's do it. Red Zara Temptation. And अब मैं ये पहन के नहीं दिखा रही हूँ. But this is a very simple one piece that we got for winters. It just has this brooch kind of thing, and it's simple. That's it. I just went to find something very unique, some statement pieces, etc., etc. And what did I come back with? Very casual pieces. Irony. So that was all. I hope you like my video. If you do, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channels. Follow for more such videos. Have a good day. Have a good week. See you in the next vlog. Bye. After 2 days, we went to Zara again. This time, the Fairview Mall in North York. The collection was super awesome. Sale भी अच्छी थी. उसकी haul video नहीं बनाऊंगी, but I just want to tell you that I've got some great stuff, which you'll be seeing me wear in the upcoming vlogs, videos, etc., etc.